Okay. Good morning, everybody. I'll be reading to you some story introductions of the students that I had in the past. Okay. And I like you to use this as your model when you do the actual activity tomorrow in the class. So I'm going to be sharing the story about Patrick Jankowski. My name is Patrick Jankowski. I'm originally from Poland. I'm single. I have a daughter named Sandra. She is 4 years old. I came to Canada 10 years ago. I like Canada a lot. I'm very grateful to Canada for giving me a beautiful and safe country to start a new life. As a person, I am friendly, honest, hardworking, and highly responsible. I dislike people who lie to me and those who break their promises. I detest people who like to gossip, spread negative rumors, or bite others in the back. During my free time, I like to listen to music, watch TV, and learn English. I also enjoy going shopping and eating in my favorite restaurant. I'm good at painting, playing basketball and soccer, riding a bike, swimming, and cooking. I think I need to improve my driving skills. I also need to learn more English so that I can communicate better with people in Canada. My family is very important to me. They always understand me and support me in everything that I do. Without them, I will not know what to do. My friends are also important to me. When I need help, my friends are always there to assist me unconditionally. Canada is a beautiful country. People here are very disciplined and honest. They are also very polite and friendly. The government is very strict with everyone, and I like that. The country is clean and safe, and the people have freedom and rights. However, everything in this country is very expensive, especially the housing and accommodation. A big chunk of your money goes to rent and mortgage. The car insurance is too expensive as well. My goal is to become a Canadian citizen. I also hope to open a renovation business and save money for the future. Finally, I hope to bring my family to Canada. I hope all my dreams will come true. Okay, everybody, that is Patrick Jankowski. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the second recording. The second recording is about my best friend. Okay, so here we have Olivia Gray. Of course, this name is fictitious. Fictitious means it's not real. Actually, actually on the slide, you see the picture of my younger sister. Okay, so I'm gonna start. I have a best friend. Her full name is Olivia Gray. I like to call her by her nickname, Olive. Olive and I have known each other for 17 years. We met when we were in high school. What I like best about Olive is that she is responsible, highly organized, and very consistent in everything that she says and does. She's also very courteous, generous, optimistic, and creative. More importantly, Olive has a great sense of humor. She is able to laugh and make other people laugh. Olivia is a computer teacher in high school. She's been in this profession for almost 10 years. She's very passionate about her job. Olivia is single and dating. The next story is about my best friend, Anna Matea. My best friend, Anna Matea. I have a best friend. Her name is Anna Matea. Anna is 34 years old. She is originally from Poland and now lives in Berlin, Germany. Anna is married to a marvelous man, Michael Williams. They have two beautiful children, Claudia and Jonathan. Michael is a dentist. Anna is a salesperson by profession. She works in a busy cosmetic store in the heart of Berlin. During her free time, Anna enjoys cooking, watching television, and spending time with her children. She also loves fishing and camping with her family. I like Anna a lot because she is a very good listener and has a golden heart. She is also very intelligent and likes to help the less fortunate. In the future, Anna wants to work as a personal support worker in a nursing home. Anna is my best friend and I miss her so much. I hope she can visit me in Toronto in the near future. That is Anna Matea. My best friend, Patrick Malaski. I have a best friend. Her name is Piotrek Maleci. Piotrek is 40 years old. He lives in Warsaw, Poland. He is married to a lovely lady, Monica. They have two beautiful children, Yannick and Pavel. Piotrek is an auto mechanic by profession. He works in a busy garage in the city. During his free time, Piotrek enjoys skating, swimming, and playing badminton with his friends. I like Piotrek because he is very friendly, polite, intelligent, and always ready to give a helping hand whenever I need help. In the future, he wants to visit me and my family in Toronto. I hope his dream will come true. My best friend, too. I have a best friend. Her name is Tu Tran. Tu is 38 years old. She is originally from Vietnam and now lives in Winnipeg, Manitoba. She is happily married to a Canadian gentleman. They have two children, Vincent and Mimi. Tu is a dressmaker by profession. She works in a small boutique in Winnipeg. During her free time, Tu enjoys cooking, drinking coffee with friends at Tim Hortons or Starbucks, and chatting with her family and childhood friends in Vietnam. I like Tu a lot because she's very firm and decisive. She is also very honest, intelligent, kind, and always ready to give a helping hand whenever I need help. In the future, she wants to move to Mississauga and live close to my family when her two children graduate from high school. I miss Tu very much. She is my best friend, and I hope her dream of moving to this city will come true. So that's the end. I'm gonna stop the recording.